Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can know your IP address on Android. For that you'll need to open up settings. After you open up settings, there you'll see the option of about phone. This option you'll find it either on top of your settings option or at the bottom of your settings option. Tap on it. Now select all specs. Scroll down and there you'll see the option of status. Tap on it. After you tap on status, here you will see your IP address. This way you can know your IP address on Android. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.